Hi everyone, it's me Jamshed Raza from professionaltutorial.com, and in this tutorial we are going to learn how to remove acne and smoothen the skin in Adobe Photoshop. But the specialty of this tutorial is that we are going to use one plugin. That plugin is called Portraiture, and in previous videos I have also shown you that how you are going to just smoothen the skin by default method which we were using in Adobe Photoshop, and I will also link that video in description of that video, and the image which I'm going to use here I will also link that in description. Now let's get started and see how we are going to retouch and make smoothen the skin of any portrait. Now let's get started. In new dialog box you can see that I have that image which I'm going to just provide you the download link from in description of that video. And for that I have one background layer, and here I have layer 1. And if you are going to download Portraiture, then after installation you will find that in filter, and in filter you have image, nomic, and here is Portraiture, which is the version 3. Now you are going to select that one, and here you will get the default face, and here after retouching you can see that there it has smoothened the layer and the face here. And you have different, for example, setting preset here. Now that is strong, medium, normal, or default. If I'm going to select default, you can check that by default it has that setting, and you can also use like normal and medium, that may smoothen a little bit more, and strong, that will smoothen more than that normal and medium. Now you can also just make your default setting from here, but I believe that using medium is fine. And if you are going to apply, and I have just checked that new layer as well, now just press OK, and you will get new layer from here. And you can see now a lot of adjustment has been applied here in this face, but there are also remaining something. Let me just press 100%. You can see that here is a lot of more details which we are going to remove that one as well. We can do that by these areas as well, but I will show you half of these face. Now for that I'm going to make new layer, and it is called layer number 2, and we have healing brush tool. Remember that we have two healing brush. One is spot healing brush tool, and the second one which we have healing brush tool, and you can get that one by just pressing that tool, and you will get all these options, and you are going to click healing brush tool. Now in healing brush tool I am just going to select any area from here, and you can held that one. And we have, remember that we have just created new layer, and it means that whatsoever we are going to do, that will be generated in new layer. Now let me just do some simple adjustment here, and we can see that with simple editing we can get a lot of more detail from here. Now let me just do that little bit, and here I am going to show you how to remove everything. It will take a little bit time, but with quite amazing detail you can do that as well. Now I'm doing that by manual healing brush tool, and you can see here, and you can take the sample from the face and just click and drag, and you will smoothen the skin as well. Now you can check that there may be some areas remaining. We can do that as well. Now with simple clicking and dragging, Now we will check before and after. For example, it is new layer. You can see that there is a lot of spot here. By using Helling brush we just removed everything. And now let me just see the original layer which is here, and you can check that out. Now after editing you get a very smooth layer. Now we can also do the same step in half of that face, and that is completely manual as well. Let me just show you how to do that as well, and you can check. Now see, we can get a lot of simple from here, and for example here, and we can remove, and you can proceed that procedure, and you can remove everything from here. Now see, every detail seems quite amazing and cool, and that is what we are going to get from here. Now I hope you got the idea that once we just used Portraiture to smoothen the skin a little bit, and after that we just made new layer, and after new layer we got our Helling brush tool and just click and drag in some areas to remove the skin and smoothen that as well. I hope you got the idea how to smoothen the skin, and for more you can just come in professionaltutorial.com and check out more amazing tutorial. Here we have written about how to earn money and how to configure different things. You can check that out here, and if you have not subscribed yet, please come to youtube.com/c/professional tutorial, and here you can subscribe to my channel. Thank you everyone, and see you in next video.